What was our payroll area? High noon. High noon hourly. High noon salary. H0HX. Okay. Okay. High noon hourly. Enter. Change. Okay. Now we have to actually maintain these periods, and we've already actually done that. Okay. And to maintain all of this, these periods, SM30, find maintenance dialog, continue. Payroll periods V32, V549A, maintain. Period parameters. Zero 03. This is how we will actually maintain it. Okay. And same for the monthly as well. We'll be following that. Okay. Now, personnel management, patient, organizational data, assignment, control record, plan, define organizational units. Okay. Over here, we can actually maintain our units, planning department, print shop, maintenance, and give their validity. Okay. Define jobs. Now, jobs are job descriptions. Jobs. Payroll accountant, for trainer, personal admin. Okay. Job titles. They're already maintained by default. We can add our own as well. Okay. Positions which are held by people. In reality, jobs are just job descriptions. Okay. Position, AR accountant, invoice clerk, start date, end date. And then what describes this position is described by job. Okay, invoice clerk will be explained and dictated by the job. Okay. Maintain an organizational management. Okay. So whatever position will be created, will how it will be managed, it will be managed by jobs, job descriptions. Okay. I hope this is clear now. Move forward. Define administrator. New entries. Okay. Jim, Mr. Jim, ABPL, HMT. ABPL, HMT. Okay. HM01, persona, persona admin, HM01, I'm admin, HM01, payroll admin. Okay. Okay. Set up default administrator group. Default. Where is default? Okay. Where's default? Oh, define administrator. Validate here. Class. Otherwise, employee group, employee subgroup. Okay. What was our employee group? Active. Create nodes. Field for decision. Employee subgroup. Employee subgroup. HEHF. HEHF. HF and HEHF. Create nodes, return values, APPL, APPL, field value must have dependent nodes. Okay. Okay. So what we're actually doing here with employee groups, we are attaching payroll admins, personal admins. Okay. Okay. Employee administrator groups. Otherwise, employee group HN01, salary and hourly, and we have a group for admin, payroll, and time administrator that will govern salary and hourly payrolls. Okay, this is done. personal data. Okay. Now, personal data is basically, what is this? PA30. PA30 uh, personal data. Okay, this is, we can display for this personal, and we will have various fields that are covered by personal data. Over here, we have these many fields. Okay, birthplace, city of birth, nationality, and things like that. So what we're going to do, address, address types. So we can have different addresses. Time constraints. What is the nature? Gaps. We discussed earlier. Record must have no gaps. Record may include gaps. Can exist more than once. Okay. Time constraint for time management input types. Which is time info type T55-4. Why? Okay. So record may include gaps. So one can have multiple addresses. Okay. Some some may be having no gaps. So we can have our own types of addresses as well. And what else? Name format, bank details, personal data, create forms of address, create, maintain titles. We can also maintain different kinds of titles like doctor, engineer, contractor, diploma, and surgeon, manager, whatever. Marital status, we can have single, married, widowed, divorced, not married, unknown, and things like that. Okay. Address types, forms of address, Mr., Mrs., Commissioner, His Highness. These can be your forms of addressing the other person. Okay. Okay. I just forgot to take the admin organizational data. Uh, Assignment. Administrative groups. Otherwise, employee group. Let me take a screenshot so that I can have a record. Okay. Okay, this is done. Next is personal admin. Okay, personal data. Personal data. Address information. Address information. Address type. Okay, 78 current address, best way cement. We can have our own new entries. Uh, uh, um, for example, HNCA, high known current address. Okay, what can be the time constraint? Time constraint can be having gaps or no gaps. Okay, current address where the person is always there. So it can have gaps because between the gaps, the person can be on leave, yeah, or not working. Okay, that is also possible. Save. Okay, state. Now we can have, since we are talking of US, okay, we can have states that are already defined. But if you want to actually divide more as per your business requirement, you can actually do that. You can have sub-states within states. Okay. Okay. Next is next is time management. Okay. Now this is info type 0007. Okay. And in that we have work schedules, define public holiday classes. Public holidays, change. Now we can have, for example, Good Friday, double click, distance to Easter. Okay. Now we can define public holidays in such a way where it can be a fixed date, like 25th of December or 1st Jan, with a fixed day from date. Fixed day can be like the first Monday from this date for Easter, for example, or distance to Easter. Distance to Easter can be like 3 days, 4 days, whatever. Easter Sunday. It always falls on an Easter Sunday. floating public holiday like Eid holidays. Okay, like Diwali. Now these are floating public holidays. So we can make our own. Okay, and this can be used in public holiday calendar or your own holiday calendar. We've already defined it. Okay. So let's stop over here for today. We'll carry on from here, right?